So really this paper is an opportunity to put on the table a whole bunch of different ideas to say how can we come up with a system that covers more Canadians, that is more transparent, more legitimate, more effective, costs less for employers, and that also is better focused on its core mandate of providing income support to the unemployed. The current system is designed on the principle that determines both eligibility and the duration of benefits based on local unemployment rates in different regions of the country, and based on the particular work experience accumulated by an individual. This presents a number of problems. The first of which is that it treats workers of similar characteristics and similar earnings profiles differently in different parts of the country. And while there are regional differences that should be taken into consideration, it's important to keep in mind that unemployment brings about a significant financial and personal hardships regardless of where someone lives. The second problem, of course, is that the eligibility formula is based on hours. And in a context where there is more prevalent part-time employment, it's much more difficult for individuals to accumulate the number of hours required to be eligible for EI. Bédard and Fortin propose a number of different things to address these various problems. The first of which, and probably the most important of which, is to eliminate the 62 economic regions that we have in this country that are used to determine eligibility and the duration of benefits, and to replace that with a single national standard so that workers in Western Canada, Eastern Canada, Central Canada all have the same access and the same expectations around what they need to accumulate in terms of work and what they will get back in return from the EI system. What they propose is a system that essentially sets eligibility based on the number of weeks that someone works, so that it eliminates the bias between part-time and full-time work, and that limits the duration of benefits to a 1-to-1 ratio. Today, EI simply tops out at $49,500 a year in terms of the earnings that it attempts to replace, at a rate of 55%. What they propose, while keeping the same overall average of 55%, is to expand that coverage from $49,500 to $104,000. This will bring EI closer into line with other social insurance programs, and also ensure that there's broader and more effective coverage for middle and upper income workers. This will enhance income security and provide better access to all Canadians.